Hey friends, Tahir with you once again. A question that I'm asked a lot: where do you earn the most income? Active income or passive income? So the answer is that the ultimate goal is to earn passive income, an income that keeps coming into your pocket long time after you have stopped working. You don't need to work. Your money works hard for you. That's passive income. That's the ultimate goal. However, if you're not there yet, you need to make sure that you're earning a great active income. So for me, the idea is the ultimate goal is get into passive income. That's where my income comes from. But that doesn't mean I don't want to earn active income. I love earning active income because the way I earn an active income allows me to empower others, learn and get better at my skills. So whatever you are in your industry, in your field, earn active income. Use that active income to create assets for your passive income so that ultimately as you age, as you don't have the same energy and strength to do what you need to do, the passive income takes care of things for you. Let me know, where do you make your most income from? I'd be very interested. Active income or passive income, and why? Feel free to ask me any questions again about this. It's a very important point I'm making in this video, and direct message me or something if you're still unsure after this video what would be best for you. Cheers, and see you in my next video.